Alright, why are we coming outside? Why are we coming outside? What is this? Beamer, what is this monstrosity on this trailer? Beamer, it's got stickers on it.
It's about to be stickerless.
Beamer, it doesn't even have a scratch on it.
Oh yeah.
You happy?
Oh yeah. She's a unit.
Yeah.
She's a unit.
2-speed. Okay.
High flow, 2-speed.
Yeah, that's
Brand new
good.
tracks, still got the little
Brand new
knobs on it.
tracks. Yeah. I think some American Forces would fit, like right here.
What's going on over
Wait,
here?
oh, yeah. He got Pacific. That would work. That would definitely work.
A little bit.
We got nothing on the bottom. What the heck, man?
Take a look at this.
It's too quiet. Way too quiet. Shiny. Completely naked. Majorly. We got one more.
Last sticker right here.
Unbelievable. She's naked. Day 769. We are 42.1% sanded. Man on the job. Yep. Yeah. Oh, yes. Yeah. Rub all those crevices. Yep. And she's painted. Just like that. It's 10 a.m. the next day. Justin and Matt were here for 7 consecutive hours till like 3:30 in the morning.
So mixing up some paint. Oh, hey.
I can't see shit out of this thing. Who the made these?
That was my wife.
Your wife.
What? She worked hard on those things. You know what? I'm leaving. Y'all don't appreciate my wife and how much time she took making these. I'm done.
And this is our status. We are, I put the plastic on it. They say they cleaned the booth, but let me. I don't know, guys. It's kind of shabby. Pretty dusty. But we're gonna show you how to tape up your skid steer in less than 5 minutes, because 7 hours, that's a lot. It's a lot. It's not productive. You guys could do better. I believed in you. Here's our paint of choice for this topic. We are doing a U500 single stage U-Tech by AkzoNobel. This is a really good polyurethane single stage paint. This is color matched to Justin's truck paint code off his Cummins, so this is going to look sick to one behind it. Gonna get some chrome decals made so it'll match his polished wheels, and overall this should look phenomenal. Ta-da! Needs to be stirred, but pretty sick.
very good. Huh?
Oh, what? 6.9.
Sweet very well.
Boys, I apologize. It's very bright out here, but this concludes this episode of How to Paint Your Skid Steer 101. This is color off of a Dodge Cummins. This is a very pretty charcoal gray for Justin to match his truck, color matched. You see we missed a little bit of wheel right here, but I promise you it's going to be covered in dirt in like 3 hours once he takes the thing to work today. But I just wanted to dive and take a recap and kind of let you guys know like inside of kind of what happened, what we did, what we didn't do, and all that stuff. And all in all, it was a pretty hairy project, but it turned out phenomenally. I think Justin loves it. He seems to love it anyway, and I think it's going to turn out really good for him. All in all, we probably taped the thing for about 3 hours, very solid hours. It was hard to get all the hydraulics taped up. We actually adapted to aluminum foil because we could actually grab it around the cylinders and everything, and it helped like morph to stuff, and it just kind of helped fit really good. So that worked phenomenally on that. It worked great. Guys, I'm happy with the result. He's happy with the result, and that's all that matters. If you like this video, drop a big like, hit that subscribe button, guys, and we thank you so much for watching this video and taking a little deep dive into some other activities we were diving into instead of some RC stuff or some car content. We brought you a brand new cat skid steer and threw it in the paint booth and painted it fresh off the dealership lot, literally from cat dealership to the shop, painted, and now going to work today. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a beautiful day, morning, night, afternoon, whenever, however you're watching this video. I thank you, and I hope you're having an awesome time, and I can't wait to see you next time.